doing? It's happening. The continuation of the continuation of the continuation of the Jeeps. For me anyway. So I started out with one Jeep. Floor rusted away. Had to get a new one. The next Jeep I got ended up blowing up and it got smashed. All for you, beautiful pups. She is my third Cherokee. First Cherokee, the floor completely rusted out of. Had to find a new one. When that Jeep finally blew up, yeah, that's right, I blew up a 4.0, but it had also been smashed. So, got rid of that. Found this one. It was a 2-wheel drive model. Turned it into a 4-wheel drive model with my original Jeep's drivetrain. That's the motor right there. And then I blew that one up. So, 2 4.0s blown up. Got it? I didn't expect it to come out that fast.
Dang, that's horrible.
Yeah, I mean, it's a little...
It's not even red anymore.
It's so red.
Yeah, that was coming out like motor oil.
That's what it looks like.
It literally doesn't look like on my hair.
I want to look good.
I already got
One on each side.
What, starter bolts? Oh, that's right, you missed the starter bolt that I was telling you to get, and it probably is 14 millimeters. It's right there. You just took out a bell housing bolt.
four of them, so don't let this fucker drop on my face.
Not the same size. Oh no, that's just rounded off as a motor.
Is that hammer? Got her. Little ripper sockets. Alright, you're free.
Undo this, 13. Undo the crank sensor up there, that's 13. And we're gonna have to let this down so we can unplug these wires out of the crank.
Flat voice style. Going down.
Go up, not right there. Clear box. Don't stand around, start taking it apart. You know what part needs to come out.
Yeah,
That one I have all fucking day.
does this have a pick top?
Should be yours.
Yeah, no trees for me yet. Yeah, I got a couple of trees. No, so stick with the screwdriver. Yeah, they're both
We got one up here already.
fuel line. Yeah, got a bracket on the fuel line.
The hole is definitely big enough now. It got to a certain spot.
And then it just won't come out any further.
Deep things.
I figured it'd fall out. We would have had the trailer over here. Back.
Not gonna come out. I think need a little persuasion.
Persuade them, Dylan. Oh, it's out.
Well, we gotta get more so we can. Remember, we always try to get one leg out before the other.
Yeah.
Oh, is that what you were talking about?
I'm talking the body of the Jeep sitting on those trailer wheels.
Now we gotta get some blocks. Just cleared the tire.
Yep.
Is it out?
Yep.
Okay, we're coming down more and we'll see what we gotta do for the rear.
It's gonna sit on the gas tank and we're gonna be able to pull it out.
Okay.
Dude, this is gonna be the easiest one we've done yet.
Ready?
I'd hit them backwards, Dylan.
Yeah, hit
So
them
you got
into the
more
Jeep.
room.
Or else you're about to smack me with a block.
Ready to move. Next.
Oh! It's always exciting.
Go once, going twice.
Scrap.
Oh!